In D mode, the transmission automatically selects gears based on speed and throttle input. Simply shift to D for normal driving. The transmission starts in first gear and shifts up to fifth as you accelerate. Avoid abrupt acceleration to minimize wear. Note the adaptive shift logic, which learns your driving habits. Manual mode, or M mode, allows you to take control of gear shifting in the SsangYong Korando III's automatic transmission. You can engage manual mode by moving the gear lever to the M position, or if your vehicle has them, use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Manual mode enables sequential shifting, letting you manually select each gear for better control. When going downhill, downshift to lower gears to use engine braking, which helps slow the vehicle without wearing out the brakes. Be careful not to over-rev the engine. The red line is approximately 4,000 to 4,500 RPM. Avoid exceeding this to prevent damage. Use manual mode sparingly to minimize wear on the clutch packs and extend transmission life. When using paddle shifters, you may notice a slight improvement in acceleration due to quicker gear changes. The Korando III can tow up to 3,000 kilograms when braked. This mid-size SUV handles trailers well with its diesel engine and automatic transmission. For towing, set the gear selector to D for automatic mode. This allows the transmission to shift gears smoothly based on speed and load. When towing heavy loads, manually select gear 2 or 3 to reduce strain on the transmission. This limits frequent shifting and helps maintain control. Safety is crucial when towing. Always use the original equipment manufacturer tow bar, and make sure the trailer is equipped with electric brakes for reliable stopping power. Monitor the transmission temperature on your dashboard display. Keep it below 100 degrees Celsius to prevent overheating and potential damage during towing. When descending hills while towing, use manual mode to engage engine braking. This helps control speed and reduces wear on your brakes. Select a lower gear, such as 2 or 3, to maintain a safe speed without excessive brake use. This is crucial for preventing overheating of both brakes and the transmission. Critical maintenance for the SsangYong Korando III automatic transmission focuses on fluid changes. Regular fluid changes are essential to maintain smooth operation and prevent damage. Use ATF Dexron 6 or equivalent transmission fluid. This high-quality fluid ensures proper lubrication and cooling of the transmission components. Change the transmission fluid every 50,000 kilometers. This regular maintenance prevents overheating and extends the life of the gearbox. During service intervals, inspect for fluid leaks and replace transmission filters. This helps maintain clean fluid flow and catches potential issues early. Avoid prolonged stop-start traffic whenever possible. This reduces heat buildup in the transmission, especially important since base models lack a dedicated transmission cooler. Be aware of potential issues like erratic shifting or gear slippage that can occur in the Korando III's automatic transmission. A 2024 recall addressed transmission control module software problems. Ensure your vehicle has received this free update to prevent gear hunting and slippage. Torque converter issues, indicated by error code P0740, can cause slipping and reduced performance. OBD2 scanners help monitor transmission fluid levels and diagnose error codes in real time. If problems persist, aftermarket remanufactured transmission units are available for replacement. Regular monitoring and timely updates can help maintain your transmission's reliability. To maximize the lifespan of your Korando III's automatic gearbox, focus on driving habits and maintenance. Aggressive acceleration or frequent heavy towing without modifications can cause excessive wear on components like solenoids and torque converters. Always avoid sudden throttle inputs and consider modifications for towing. Transmission temperature is critical for longevity. Monitor it regularly, especially during towing, as overheating can lead to fluid breakdown and component failure. Use gauges to stay below 100 degrees Celsius and install cooling systems for heavy loads. Regular maintenance is essential for gearbox health. Change transmission fluid every 50,000 kilometers using ATF Dexron V6. Inspect for leaks and replace filters during services. This prevents wear and ensures smooth operation. Address any issues promptly through diagnostics using OBD2 scanners to check for error codes. For frequent heavy towing, consider upgrades like remanufactured units or retrofit kits to improve reliability and efficiency.